Hi guys, it's Cindy, and sorry again about my hair, but I feel like the second time today. But I'm making a video about what's in my fridge, and I'm gonna try to make this under 4 minutes. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so here's my fridge. Sorry about this chair pull right here. I can't really put it anywhere else. Okay. Okay, so here's my fridge. Okay, so right here are the milks, and there's other drinks or something. Here there's apple juice, ketchup, ranch, and then I don't know what that is. And then right here is some sauces and stuff. So we have like different kinds of sauces. We have ketchup. And then this is like the coffee creamer stuff. It's not. I don't think it's half and half. No, it's not half and half. It's coffee mate. But yeah, it's the coffee stuff. And then we have this ice cream sauce syrup stuff. Then up here we have some butters, and over here we have croissants. We have some with butter, and I don't know what this is. We have mustard or something. And then over on this side we have a bunch of other sauces too. So we have like Thousand Island, Sweet Baby barbecue sauce. Then we have some whipped cream. And then we have some syrup. And yeah. Then up here we have some other dipping sauces. So we have like classic yellow mustard, we have tartar sauce, we have other stuff. Okay, and then now in the fridge we have a bunch of stuff. Ugh, door. So that's why it's my door on here. Okay. So let's go back. There. Okay, that's right. Okay, so no destructions. So right here we have soda, some mac and cheese, some other stuff in there. We have just random stuff all over the place. In the back we have eggs. And then here we have vegetables. And here we have fruits and lettuce and stuff in there. And then here we have like meats and stuff. And then for the freezer, hang on. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So then for the freezer, which is for the freezer. And we always have this random stuff in there, so, you know, stuff like that. And then on the top one, let me try to hold this. Okay, so in that one, like ice creams and ice and stuff like that. Then here we have pizza and other stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. I kind of reached my goal. But yeah, comment, like, and subscribe, and bye.